Hi friends, welcome to my channel. If you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe and press the bell icon to receive updates. Today we will watch a video on Infinix Hot 10 Play smartphone. I purchased this from Flipkart for 8499 rupees. The package looks attractive. Now let's see the specifications. This phone, which is made in India, is having 4GB RAM and 64GB internal storage and a big 6.82-inch HD plus drop-notch display. We have dual rear cameras of 13MP and 13MP along with an 8MP selfie camera. It runs on XOS 7 based on Android 10 and has MediaTek Helio G35 chipset. It supports 4G dual nano SIMs with a dedicated memory card slot. Battery capacity 6000 mAh. All the main sensors are present. Fingerprint and face unlock options are also available. DTS surround sound is also present with smart music, video and game modes. NEG Dinorex Glass Protection is also there. This is the phone itself. Now let's see what else we get in the box. We have a 10-watt charger. The cable is a micro USB one. Interestingly, I find that the SIM ejector tool is missing, though it was listed in the contents. Might be they have missed it in packing. As I like the phone, I didn't bother to return just because of the lack of SIM ejector pin. A user manual and details of Infinix X Club app are available. A TPU back case and screen protection film are also bundled in the pack. The color is Asian blue having gem cut texture with flow pattern. The phone weighs around 207 grams. On the rear we have 13MP dual AI cameras. Multiple camera modes like portrait, beauty and wide selfie are available. Bluetooth 5 and FM radio are present, but there is no OTG support. On the left side, we have the SIM tray. It supports 4G dual nano SIMs with a dedicated memory card slot. On the right side, we have the power button and volume rockers. There is nothing on the top side. On the bottom we have 3.5mm audio jack, micro USB port and microphone. Now let's switch on the phone. The UI looks cool. The screen response is also good. So many pre-installed apps are present. Now let's check some of the sample photos and videos taken with this phone. The color looks natural. The information on video stabilization is not available. So far the phone has performed good. If you are looking for a 4GB 64GB version with a large battery and decent cameras, then you can go for this. Also it is made in India. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe, like, share and comment. We'll meet soon with another interesting video. Till then, goodbye.